Machiegni, jata tije maduong' e duol mochung' ne ute fwambo David Omoyo okwayo duol manono kes mar jafwambo Wanjiri Kariuki mar od bura mar od fwambo mar Kameme manochiel gi magina kod obila chieng' ng'anyo e boma ma Nakuru mondo non kesno ero e yo mapiyo. Kanoloso bang' limo jofwambo no, Omoyo noyango ni obila nyaka gol ayanga nying obila manotimo tim makamano ka okwa jofwambo mondo mi omed bedo kanyakla.
There have been efforts and attempts by the police to interfere with the investigations so that we can find out who is the exact person who pulled the trigger. It is regrettable that on one side the police keep issuing statements about how they support press freedom and how they want to let the media do their work, but while at the same time members of the same service are attacking journalists for no reason at all and quickly engaging in major cover-up so that the individual policemen cannot be brought to account. We think that the only way to stop this impunity on attacks against journalists is to profile and identify the specific policemen who have engaged in these activities and have them held to account. So I challenge the Independent Police Oversight Authority, despite their challenges which they've stated publicly, to make sure that the policemen who are engaged in this act against the journalists and all those other policemen who have done the same, attacking journalists who are clearly identified and doing their job, and make sure that they are brought to book.